In our sixth question, we have Rajan just took his first math test in his college analysis class. His professor says he scored the 80th percentile. And Rajan's professor posts a list of grades without names. The 12 students, these are the grades. These are the marks actually, not grades. But anyway, so what is Rajan's mark? So there are 12 students and the 80th percentile would indicate 80% of 12. So if I cancel this with 4, I'll get 25. With 4, I'll get 3, 5 5s and 5 16s. So I get 48 by 5, which is equal to 9.6. So obviously you can't be the 9.6th person in a class. So you're taken to be the 10th guy. That is, in our case, we have to order these now. So in this, we will first go look at the smallest value. 38 is the smallest, followed by 46, which is the second smallest. Then we have a 55, which is the third smallest. And then there is 60, the fourth. 66, the fifth. 68 is the sixth. 70 is the seventh. 75 is the 8th. 78 is the 9th. And 84 is the 10th. 85 is the 11th. And 93 is the 12th. So 84 is our 10th value. So this implies Rajan scored 84.